In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite to Xbox. So for this, you will need to use either your phone or a PC. I'll show you how you can do it on phone. Just load up your browser on the phone and go search for Epic Games. So from here, we will load up the first website that pops up and click on the three lines in the top right corner. Now we are going to choose sign in. For the sign in method, we will scroll down until we see Nintendo and just log in with your Nintendo account. So it's going to ask you for your email address and password. So just log in with your Nintendo credentials so we can link Fortnite on the Switch to Xbox. And once you have logged in here, I have already logged in, that's why I didn't have to write this information. So again, we're going to click on the three lines in the top right. And this time we'll click on our profile icon. And once this menu pops up, we want to select account. So from account, we would click on account settings here at the top. And we want to scroll down until we see apps and accounts. Just select this option. And from here, you will be able to see all of your connected accounts. And we just want to scroll down until we see Xbox. Here, we'll click on connect. And then again, we will select connect account. So what this is going to do, it's going to refer you to the Xbox website. And if you log in with your Xbox credentials here, it's going to link Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch with your Xbox account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.